Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 5 and today I'll show you how to enable the Talkback option. And to get started, let's navigate into our settings. From the settings, you want to scroll down to accessibility and choose Talkback. And in here, simply toggle it on.
Talkback on. Talkback is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness.
Now I'll mute it a little bit just so I don't have to hear it or wait for Talkback to finish talking. So anyway, that is how you would enable it. And from here, to navigate through this, I can either use two fingers to scroll down, because just using one finger will select options. So as you can see, you tap once to select something, then double tap on it to accept it, and yeah, two fingers to navigate. Same goes for gestures. You can use two fingers to use gestures, as you can see. Anyway, so that is how you'd enable it and use it. And just gonna disable it now, so and there we go. And now we can use normally two fingers. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.